In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to pin elements to the screen on mobile while using Wix. Whether you're building a sleek online portfolio or crafting an engaging small business page, having certain elements consistently visible can enhance user experience significantly. Let's dive into the process. To get started, you'll first need to access the Wix website editor. Once you've logged in and opened the editor, you'll find yourself on the desktop view by default. What you need to do is switch to the mobile view because our goal is to pin elements specifically for mobile users. You can find the option to switch views at the top of your editor. Clicking the mobile button not only optimizes your site for mobile display, but also sets up our workspace for this tutorial. Next, direct your attention towards the toolbar situated on the left-hand side of the screen. You're looking for the Tools option. Clicking this allows you to access additional functionalities that Wix offers, one of which is the toolbar. The toolbar is your Swiss Army knife for editing on Wix, offering utilities that streamline the design process. With the toolbar enabled, pinpoint the exact element you wish to pin. This might be something crucial, like a navigation menu or a call to action button, which you want your visitors to easily access at all times. Simply scroll through your site to find and select this element. Once you have identified it, clicking on the element itself will bring up its editing menu. Here's where the magic happens. You'll see several options pop up once the element is highlighted. What we're focusing on is the option to show the element on all your site's pages. You should notice a button labeled Show on All Pages. Enabling this feature ensures that regardless of where a visitor is on your site, this element remains fixed to their screen. It's an incredibly useful feature for elements you consider integral to user navigation or interaction. Do remember, while pinning elements can improve user experience, overdoing it might clutter your interface. It's often best to limit pinning to essential elements only. After you've enabled the Show on All Pages option, take a moment to preview your site. Navigate through your pages on mobile view to ensure the element behaves as expected and that it doesn't obstruct or interfere with other important content. And that's it. You've now successfully pinned an element to the screen on mobile in Wix. This small adjustment can make a big difference in how visitors interact with your website, especially on mobile devices. Feel empowered to further explore the various tools in Wix. Each one opens up new possibilities to enrich your website's functionality and aesthetic. Thanks for tuning in, and happy designing.